money and credit. In this topic, we will learn about formal sector credit in India. The various types of loans can be conveniently grouped as formal sector loans and informal sector loans. The informal lenders include money lenders, relatives, and friends, etc. In graph 1, you can see the various sources of credit to rural households in India. The RBI sees that the bank give loans not just to profit-making businesses and traders, but also to small cultivators, small-scale industries, small borrowers, etc. There is no organization which supervises the credit activities of lenders in the informal sector. Graph 2 shows the importance of formal and informal sources of credit for people in urban areas. The people are divided into 4 groups, from poor to rich, as shown in the figure. You can see that 85% of the loans taken by poor households in the urban areas are from informal sources. In the previous section, we have seen that poor households are still dependent on informal sources of credit. Why it is so? Banks are not present everywhere in rural India. Even when they are present, getting a loan from a bank is much more difficult than taking a loan from informal sources. Absence of collateral is one of the major reasons which prevent the poor from getting bank loans. Informal lenders such as money lenders, on the other hand, know the borrowers personally and hence are often willing to give a loan without collateral. However, the money lenders charge very high rates of interest, keep no records of the transactions, and harass the poor borrowers. In recent years, people have tried out some newer ways of providing loans to the poor. The idea is to organize rural poor, in particular women, into small self-help groups, SHGs, and pool, collect their savings. A typical SHG has 15 to 20 members, usually belonging to one neighborhood, who meet and save regularly. Members can take small loans from the group itself to meet their needs. The group charges interest on these loans, but this is still less than what the money lender charges. Summary: Money Act as an intermediate in exchange process. It is called a medium of exchange. Modern form of money includes currency, paper notes, and coins. In India, the Reserve Bank of India issue currency notes on behalf of the central government. Bank accepts the deposits and also pays an amount as interest on the deposits. Interest rate, collateral, and documentation requirement is called terms of credit. That is all in this lesson. Learning is fun, so keep learning.